Okay, teachers, so the next video that we want to show you is how you could embed a Google Doc into Canvas as a page. So you may want to do this if you're thinking about something like an agenda that you've always been doing in Google Docs. That's a simple way you can do this. You can also do this with the Google Sheet. If you wanted to embed something as if it was a website, you can definitely do that though as well. So what I'm going to do here right now, I'm just going to quickly open up a new Google Doc, type a couple of words on here just so that you can get a sense as to how this is going to work. One of the things that we found is sometimes it messes the formatting up from what you initially set in Google Docs, but at the end of the day, it typically ends up being pretty good and pretty easy to use as well. So we're just going to call this sample Google Doc agenda. Now, again, you're just working in Google Docs, right? So if you are familiar with Google Docs, you can do a lot of the stuff that I'm doing right now. But we're going to say, okay, let's make a quick table. So we're just going to say Monday, Tuesday. And then what we could have here is we could have targets. So this could be an I can statement, ... This could be the sequence of events. So warm up, complete worksheet 3, work on math project. So you get the sense here as to what I can do pretty quickly, pretty easily within Google Docs. So now how do I actually take this over and use this in my other course? So if I go to File and Publish to the Web, and then I click on Embed, what it's going to do is it's going to give me this code here, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I can tell you really quickly how you actually would use it. If I can find my way back to the course I'm demoing with. Okay, there we go. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new page. So let's use a page, and you saw how to link the pages, so that shouldn't be anything too new. But let's say that we go over to the pages here. We want to create a new page. We got other videos that are getting finished here, huh? So let's say we come here, we're going to say view all pages, and we're going to create a page. So very similar to how you would create a page otherwise, it's just not in the module view. So we're going to call this Google Doc Agenda. So all that you would need to do moving forward is if you change anything to sample Google Doc Agenda, whenever you are in that course, it is going to make the change permanently, or I shouldn't say permanently, but along with it. So what do I do with that code that I found? I'm now going to click on HTML editor. I'm going to paste it in. I did copy it before in case you didn't pick up on that. Then I'm going to push save and publish, and then edit here, and voila. What we have is a little bit smaller version of what we need. So I'm going to click on editor again. I'm going to change the width to 1,000, the height to 1,000, not 11,000. Push save, and we're good to go. So that was a quick tutorial of how you can create an agenda page using Google Docs for your Canvas.